Hi team, this video is about creating a colorized photo from your black and white or grayscale photographs using Lightroom Light. This image was generated with AI using my photo as a reference, then adding prompts to create an ink drawing. The Lightroom interface is very simple, as you can see on the right. We will be using the mask tool in this video. Let's get started. From the top masking menu, choose the best starting mask, which in this case would be subject. Once Lightroom creates the mask, we can show the mask by toggling the Show button in the submenu below the mask. If you are satisfied with the area Lightroom selected, use the Colorize option on the right and choose the color you want. If you're satisfied with that color, you're pretty much done with your first mask. To add the second mask, go to the top of the submenu and select the blue round button and select Objects from the menu. Adjust your brush size to the correct size for the object you are selecting. Start highlighting the area you want masked. If you're happy with the area the mask selected, go to your Colorize button and select the color you want. If you're satisfied, the second mask is completed. The third and final mask for this project will be the same as the last mask we completed. I am going to speed this up while I select the object. The green over black at 50% is not producing the color I was looking for. At the top you will see a slider labeled amount. In this case we will be moving the slider to the right. Nice work. Hope this video helped. Have a great day.